guys, we have to do this formula. Okay, the formula will be look like this. We have the two values, A cross B is equal to HCF into LCM. So if in this questions, maybe the values of A and B collectively given, maybe the product result is given, and we have to find the LCM. HCF is given and LCM is missing. So for the formula, according to the given data, you have to find the values. Okay, you have to find the values. For example, if the question from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be solved according to this formula, and in question number 1 we just have to pick the co-prime numbers. Can you tell me the co-prime numbers from the first A part?
Okay. The co-prime numbers from the first A part is 63,
Okay,
43,
okay,
23 and 53.
correct answer. From the B part?
The B part is the 85.
Okay,
This other one, I think it's only
16, 85, 16, and then the last one 34.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so for what are the
34.
yes, not the 34, 21,
No, that's not 21.
85, 16 and
34.
34. Okay, so in the B part, in the second part, find the pairs of number which are co-prime. Do you know what are the co-prime numbers? That have the no common factors, So what are the co-prime numbers in the second part?
86, 75.
Can you just tell me A, B, C, which one?
Oh, it's H,
H,
C,
C,
and F.
F, and A also, 11 and 19 also.
Yes.
So from 4, 3 to 7, your questions will be solved according to this formula. By according to the given values, you have to find a missing number, and the another value should be divided in the opposite side. For example, just do the last part. Question number 7. The product of HCF and LCM of two number is 119. So the LCF and LCM completely value is 119. Okay, and find the two numbers if one of them is 1. I have the value of B. Okay, the value of 1, and this is 119. 100 is going to here and it will divide it. Then A here, 119 here, divided by the 1, it gives the same answer, 119. Okay, this is how you can solve this. Understood? Do you have any question from the whole chapter?
No.
Any confusion?
Oh, no, but the formula was A into B equals HCF
Multiply by LCM. Yes, you have to solve all of these questions from 3 to 7 with the same formula. In the 3 question, HCF of two number is 12 and their product is 4, 3, 20. Like we can use HCF as a 12 and we can write the whole number, and we have to find the LCM, and one of the number is 60 and what is the other number. First we have to find for the LCM, then we have to find for the other number. And on the 5, HCF and LCM is given, one number is given, I have to find the other number. For the
if it is like B, if they didn't
B, you can say it is totally up on you. Maybe you can choose B as a other number or A as a other number.
if they don't give the B or A, we multiply HCF and LCM.
No, that is not possible. They will give you a 1 from this part. They will give you.
I know.
Yes.
I'm just telling you, if there is no number in A, so we multiply HCF and LCM and we divide it with B.
Yes, exactly like that. If the A and B is given, HCF is given, LCM is not given, then the HCF will be divided with A and B. Okay?
Okay.
Any confusion, any question?
No.
So on Monday we have our grand test, is it?